Passive radar reflectors help small non-metallic craft to be more visible on the radar screens of larger vessels. And this is especially important when operating at night or in restricted visibility conditions. The small vessel regulations in Canada state that vessels under 20 meters and those built of non-metallic materials must carry a passive radar device, if practical, when operating where radar is in use. And it's also recommended that reflectors be mounted as high as possible to ensure waves or other surface objects don't impede its ability to reflect a radar signal. But on many smaller craft, it isn't possible to place a reflector much more than a few meters or less off the water, which may bring into doubt for some small boat owners its ability to work. Smart Boater decided to test the effectiveness of a radar reflector even when placed low to the water, in our case, less than a meter, to see if it would present a signature on radar. Our test subject was a kayak, paddling under good conditions and within a range that might present a risk of collision. To begin the test, our kayaker paddled without a radar reflector on board. As expected, the powerboat's radar failed to pick up the kayak at a distance of up to several hundred meters. We attached a radar reflector to the deck of the kayak, low to the water, well below the recommended height of at least 4 meters. Once again, our kayaker paddled out a short distance and this time was immediately visible on the radar screen. Our test demonstrated that even when positioned a short distance off the water on a small craft, a radar reflector can be effective, proving that it's better to have one than not when operating where radar is in use. Radar reflectors are available in several sizes and styles and are relatively inexpensive. It's a good idea to research which one is best suited for your type and size of craft, and to buy the largest one that's practical for the best results. And of course, mount it as high as you possibly can. A passive radar reflector can enhance your safety on the water, but they are not a guarantee that you'll always be visible to larger vessels or when operating in restricted visibility. And although our test showed positive results, it's still important to always navigate with caution and to take the necessary steps to make your boat visible to others.